Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make these easy paper roses. All you need are few square sheets, a thin wire, a coin, pencil, scissors and glue. Now take a sheet and fold diagonally 3 times as shown. And draw a petal shape on one end, or use a coin to get the petal shape and cut along the line. And do the same to all the other sheets. Now cut just one petal from the sheet. And take the other sheet and cut 2 petals. And so on, cut 3 and 4 petals from the other sheets. And stick the ends of the sheets together. Take a pencil or a paintbrush and curl the ends of the petal to make it look more real like roses. Now final step is to stick all these petals together one by one and put in the flower wire in the center. And it's done. Beautiful paper roses are ready to be given to someone special or kept as a home decor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and let me know your feedback and comments. Also, subscribe my button to be updated with my latest video. Thank you for watching.